Good afternoon, everyone. Still jogging today with iterator functions, which are functions like SUMIF, average if, SUMX, average x, and everything with x at the end, not if. So let's start from an example on the dataset from the previous episode. So let's just start new measure. Let's say we want to see the difference between North America sales and Europe sales and take the average of all differences. So average NA Europe diff, which is function average x with the first argument of a table, which is VG sales, and the second one is an expression, in this case North America sales minus Europe sales, close the bracket, confirmed. So we have the outcome here, 118,000. I could also create a new column, which would be NAU diff, which is NA sales minus Europe sales, and this is the column with differences for each row. Additionally, I will create a measure which is, let's say it's just diff. That's how quick I will name it. Just diff average, and here is a regular average function on this diff column. So now if I create, I'm not sure if I have to even create the second one. I can do it on the same just diff. So yeah, the outcome is the same. So average x automatically calculated the differences for each row and generated an average on the whole new column. So there is no need to create additional columns and then calculate it from scratch. The second example would be also on the average connected with calculate, which is an example from the course I'm doing, because I have my own opinion on the example that was showed here, and not sure why actually, so I just showed that. Of course the example on the course is on the other dataset, so I have to do something similar here. It would be an average global sales for Nintendo. So here is the calculate function with average x, with the first argument as a table. The second one is the column we are calculating, so global sales. The second argument is the second argument of calculate, which is a publisher equals to Nintendo. One bracket too much. And also let's copy that. Let's create a new measure. Let's just name it with number 2, and I will change it a little bit. So here is not average x but just average. It doesn't need the argument of the table. Now confirmed. So here I will create a table with these two new these two new measures, and the outcome is actually the same. If I will filter on genre, the outcome is the same. So the conclusion is that the example in the course wasn't the best example for such functions, iterator functions. Just looking at it, it seems that the best usage of iterator functions are if you are comparing two or multiple columns, you want to make some mathematical changes on them. So you want to multiply something, subtract, add, and then make a calculation of average of sum, of maybe counting rows, and so then it makes sense. But this is actually just an calculating average on some filter. So yeah, the outcome is the same. I just want to share that, so it doesn't make sense for me. So that's pretty all I wanted to say about the iterator functions. More complicated cases will come for sure in the cases in the projects, so we will wait for that. Thanks again for watching and see you soon. Bye guys.